Perfect SEO guideline to rank on Google. Search engine optimization, SEO, is a crucial component of any business's online marketing strategy, especially for new businesses looking to establish a strong online presence. Market research for SEO. Targeted niche-related market research for SEO is the process of identifying and understanding a specific group of people who are interested in your products or services. Keyword research. Identify relevant keywords that potential customers use to search for products or services like yours. Use keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to find high-volume, low-competition keywords. On-page SEO. Ensure your website is optimized for search engine crawlers. This includes using relevant keywords in your website's title tags, meta descriptions, header tags, and throughout your content. High-quality content. Produce informative and engaging content that is relevant to your target audience. This could include blog posts, articles, infographics, videos, or other forms of content. Build backlinks. Backlinks from high-quality websites can significantly boost your website's authority and search engine rankings. Reach out to industry publications, bloggers, and influencers to request backlinks. Promote your content. Share your content on social media, relevant online communities, and through email marketing. Engage with your audience and respond to comments to build relationships and drive traffic to your website. Track your results. Regularly monitor your website's analytics to track your progress and identify areas for improvement. Use tools like Google Analytics to measure organic traffic, keyword rankings, and conversion rates. Thank you for watching video.